Hi everyone, today I will show you a best way in order to create a digital elevation model from Google Earth. In order to do this, I'm gonna open Google Earth Pro. For this, I'm gonna go first to add patch and I'm creating some points. I'm gonna give it a name. Color and start drawing. Okay, until now it's okay. I can click on OK, and now it's ready to export as a KML or KMZ and use it in other software. For this, I'm gonna save it as a KMZ. Okay, it's saved successfully. Right now, I'm gonna use another platform in order to convert these files into GPX format. I'm using my browser and use this platform, GPS visualizers, in order to do this. From here, I have to convert all the file to GPX. For this, I'm clicking on this. Okay, very good. From file, I have to upload my saved Google Earth file. It's here. Here I have to define to be added my elevation data. Okay, until now it's okay, and I can use convert in order to do this. It's successfully converted. Right now I can download the converted file. From here, again, I have to define an output. In the next step, I'm gonna use ArcGIS environment in order to convert GPX file to features. For this, I'm gonna go to the ArcGIS environment. From search, I look for GPX to features. Right now, I have to define my input GPX file. Okay, and also an output that I need to define. I'm gonna click on OK. Okay, as you can see, all of my points that I created in Google Earth. From here, I can check their elevation data. And as you can see, each point has their own elevation data. In the next step, I'm gonna use interpolation in order to create my digital elevation model. For this, I'm gonna go to search again. I'm gonna use IDW as one of the interpolation methods. Input feature is my converted GPX to feature file. This is very important. I need to put based on elevation to create my digital elevation model. Also, the output. Until now it's okay. By clicking on OK, as you can see, this is the interpolated file that I received. Right now, I can do a classification on that. And provide an appropriate color. This is my digital elevation model that I created from Google Earth data. Right now, I want to create contour from this file. In order to do this, I'm gonna go to search again, contour. I have to define my input raster, that it's IDW. Contour interval, for me it's gonna be 200, for example. Okay, it's okay. And also you can define an output for your result. I'm gonna click on OK. And also I can label all my features in order to see their elevation. Okay, very good. In this video I show you how to create a digital elevation model from Google Earth in an easy way, and also how to create contour from digital elevation model that you created from Google Earth. In this method, you don't need to download digital elevation model from other resources. You just need to learn how to do this in an appropriate way and an easy way. If you like these types of video, please like the video and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for your attention.